Well, we know that Debbie hammered Florida and South Georgia, but it's not over yet, right, Chris?
It's not. It's actually gaining a little bit of strength out in the Atlantic Ocean right now, and we're going to have another landfall most likely tonight on the coast of South Carolina. And the impacts on our area, as we've been saying for the entire time, have been very minimal. We just had some breezes with it. We're going to be watching just a low risk for a shower out there tonight and maybe a stray shower tomorrow, but I really think most of us will stay dry. And then we're looking ahead to drier air and lower humidity that's going to be coming in for the weekend. So this is what we're watching. We're dry now. We've had a few clouds around. The main area of rain still well off to the east of us in association with Debbie, but what's happening is the flow around this comes up and hits the mountain, and it's causing us a couple of showers up in Rabun County. We may see a couple of more of those develop during the evening hours tonight on the east side, but it really won't impact a lot of people. Here's the center of circulation. Remember yesterday it was hanging out near Savannah. Now the center is right up here just to the north and east of Charleston, and again north of that there's another tornado watch in effect for the South Carolina and also North Carolina coast. We're expecting the center of circulation to come inland tonight pretty much between Charleston and also Myrtle Beach. Max winds right now are at about 60 miles an hour. And on the back side of it, just watching for a little bit of moisture maybe coming back into our area. So here's the forecast track. We do think those winds tonight at landfall could be around 65 miles an hour. And then it does pick up some forward speed and it moves quickly up toward the north and the east. And again, we're still on the good or quieter side of that system. So here's the forecast track of what we're watching. They have that main rain shield to the east of us. But here's what we're talking about tonight. Nothing really widespread, maybe just a couple of spotty showers around over on the east side. As we go through the day tomorrow, notice that rain shield in South Carolina trying to get a little bit closer to Georgia as the system moves inland. But again, we don't think it's going to do much for us here. Just a really low risk for a little isolated shower that could pop up, again, mainly well over to the east of us. And then going into Friday, not really concerned about major rain chances. I think most of us will be dry once again. And then for the weekend, it is going to be nicer as far as the humidity levels coming down. Thanks to this northerly flow moving into our area for Saturday, we don't expect any rain around. Temperatures are still going to be warm moving into the 90s, but it's going to be the lower humidity that'll make it feel a little bit better as we go through the weekend. Tomorrow, we do expect to get up to 93. Yeah, that's hot, but not as hot as it was today. 20% chance for a shower. Partly cloudy Friday with a high of 94. Back to the lower 90s Saturday and Sunday, but it's going to feel more like the lower 90s with the lower humidity around. And then through the rest of the period, 93 Monday and Tuesday, 94 Wednesday, with that low rain chance coming back for midweek.